Here's a clear walkthrough to scan with the HP SmartTank 580. Menu names can vary slightly by app version, but this will get you there on Windows/Mac OS and iPhone/Android. Before you start one, turn the printer on. 2. Lift the scanner lid and place your document face down on the glass, top left corner aligned to the guide. 3. Install HP Smart, Windows/Mac from Microsoft Store/App Store, iOS/Android from App Store/Google Play. 4. Make sure the printer is connected, USB or same Wi-Fi as your device. In HP Smart, tap Add Printer if it's not already there. A. Scan with HP Smart on Windows or Mac OS 1. Open HP Smart, select your printer tile. 2. Click Scan. 3. In the left-right panel, set Source Flatbed Color Mode. Color Grayscale for text. Grayscale is fine. Resolution DPI 300 for text flash forms, 600 for photos. File type: PDF, if multi-page, or JPEG/PNG single image 4. Click Scan. Preview appears. 5. Optional use: crop, rotate, straighten, or adjust brightness/contrast if needed. 6. For multi-page PDFs, since the 580 uses a flatbed, choose PDF as file type. Click Add Page or plus, replace the sheet on the glass, close lid, and scan again. Repeat for all pages. 7. Click Save, choose folder and file name save. 8. Optional click Share to email, upload to cloud, etc. B. Scan with HP Smart on iPhone or Android 1. Open HP Smart. Make sure your printer shows as ready. 2. Tap Scan. Along the top/bottom, switch from camera to scanner if needed. 3. Set options: Source Flatbed, Color/Grayscale, DPI/quality, 300 for text, 600 for photos, if available. File type PDF for multiple pages or JPEG/PNG 4. Tap the Scan button. A preview appears. 5. Use crop/rotate/adjust if you like. 6. For multi-page PDFs, tap Add or plus lift lid, swap the page, close lid, scan again. Repeat. 7. Tap Save/Share. Pick device, files, photos, email, or your cloud app. Name the file and confirm. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming audio and tech tutorials.